is Irene Chavez. I'm the office manager here at Zarzamora Family Dental Care. I've been working at this office for 4 years. I like working at this office because it's a smaller office. We see fewer patients than a bigger office would, so we get to know them on a personal basis. We get to interact with them more than we would if we were a bigger office.
Here at Zarzamora Family Dental, I've been a patient for over 17 years. This facility ranges in all types of dental care, anything you could possibly imagine. Recently, I moved to Arizona, and I still come back here just for my dental care, because here it feels like a family, and all my cares are attended to with first personal care.
What sets Zarzamora Family Dental apart from the other dental offices is the fact that we are geared towards relaxation. We want this to be a peaceful, calm visit for you. Dentistry by itself is already very difficult, so understanding that, we want to make sure that each patient that comes in leaves here happy, smiling, with a great, bright smile.